Predictions for 2024 AI set to supercharge robotic automation. The rapid evolution of technology has been reshaping industries across the globe, and as we step into 2024, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, with robotic automation promises to revolutionize the way businesses operate. This transformative synergy is poised to bring about unprecedented advancements, streamlining processes, enhancing efficiency, and opening up new possibilities across various sectors. In this video, we delve into the predictions for 2024, exploring how AI is set to supercharge robotic automation. AI-powered cognitive automation. One of the key predictions for 2024 is the widespread adoption of AI-powered cognitive automation. Traditional robotic automation involves the execution of predefined tasks with minimal adaptability. However, with the infusion of AI, robots are poised to become more intelligent and context-aware. Advanced machine learning algorithms will enable robots to analyze data in real time, make informed decisions, and adapt to dynamic environments. This cognitive automation will not only enhance efficiency but also enable robots to handle complex tasks that were previously beyond their capabilities. Enhanced human-robot collaboration. As AI continues to advance, the interaction between humans and robots is expected to become more seamless and intuitive. Predictions for 2024 anticipate the rise of enhanced human-robot collaboration, where AI-powered robots can understand and respond to human gestures, expressions, and verbal commands. This will pave the way for safer and more productive workplaces, as robots seamlessly integrate into various industries, working alongside human counterparts. AI and Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, has been a game-changer for businesses seeking to automate repetitive and rule-based tasks. In 2024, the integration of AI into RPA is expected to take automation to new heights. AI algorithms will enable robots to handle unstructured data, learn from patterns, and adapt to evolving business processes. This evolution in RPA will lead to enhanced accuracy, reduced errors, and increased efficiency in a wide range of industries, from finance and healthcare to manufacturing and logistics. AI-driven predictive maintenance. In the realm of manufacturing and industrial automation, predictive maintenance has long been a sought-after goal. AI is set to play a pivotal role in achieving this objective in 2024. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, robots will be capable of predicting when equipment is likely to fail, allowing for proactive maintenance and minimizing downtime. This predictive capability not only extends the lifespan of machinery but also contributes to significant cost savings for businesses relying on automated processes. AI-powered robot swarms. The concept of robot swarms involves the coordination and collaboration of multiple robots to perform tasks collectively. In 2024, AI is expected to play a crucial role in orchestrating these robot swarms, enabling them to work in tandem with unprecedented precision. This collaborative approach is particularly promising in industries such as agriculture, where robot swarms can optimize planting, harvesting, and monitoring processes, leading to increased productivity and resource efficiency. Customizable and adaptive robotics. The traditional one-size-fits-all approach to robotics is evolving, thanks to AI. In 2024, we can anticipate the rise of customizable and adaptive robotics, where AI allows robots to be easily configured and reconfigured to suit specific tasks. This flexibility will be invaluable across industries with diverse and dynamic automation needs. Businesses will have the ability to tailor robotic systems to their unique requirements, fostering innovation and agility. Ethical considerations and regulatory frameworks. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into robotic automation, ethical considerations and regulatory frameworks are likely to gain prominence. Predictions for 2024 include a heightened focus on addressing ethical concerns related to AI and automation, such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential impact on employment. Governments and industry stakeholders are expected to collaborate in establishing robust regulations to ensure the responsible deployment of AI in robotic automation. AI-enhanced customer service robots. In the realm of customer service, AI-powered robots are set to become more prevalent in 2024. These robots will be equipped with natural language processing capabilities, allowing them to understand and respond to customer inquiries with a high level of accuracy. From retail environments to hospitality, AI-enhanced customer service robots are poised to provide personalized and efficient interactions, enhancing the overall customer experience. AI in healthcare robotics. The healthcare industry stands to benefit significantly from the integration of AI into robotics. Predictions for 2024 foresee the emergence of AI-powered robots in healthcare settings, performing tasks such as surgical procedures, patient monitoring, and even assisting in rehabilitation exercises. The precision and adaptability of AI-driven healthcare robots have the potential to revolutionize medical practices, leading to improved patient outcomes and reduced healthcare costs. AI-infused education robotics. Education is another sector where AI is expected to leave a lasting impact in 2024. Robotics in education will be enhanced with AI-driven features that facilitate personalized learning experiences. AI-powered educational robots will be capable of adapting their teaching methods based on individual student progress, providing tailored support and fostering a more engaging and effective learning environment. Cobots and human-robot collaboration. Collaborative robots, or cobots, have gained prominence in recent years, but 2024 will witness a deeper integration of these robots into daily work routines. AI will play a pivotal role in enabling more intuitive and responsive human-robot collaboration. These cobots will possess enhanced decision-making capabilities, allowing them to work alongside human counterparts seamlessly. This not only enhances productivity but also ensures a safer work environment as robots become more attuned to human behavior and can respond accordingly. As we look ahead to 2024, the convergence of artificial intelligence and robotic automation presents a landscape of immense possibilities. From cognitive automation and human-robot collaboration to predictive maintenance and customizable robotics, the impact of AI is set to supercharge automation across various industries. However, with these advancements come ethical considerations and the need for robust regulatory frameworks to ensure responsible and equitable deployment. The coming year promises to be a pivotal one in the evolution of AI-driven robotic automation, shaping the future of work, industry, and society as a whole. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.